Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading notes related to ICSE syllabus class 6. In this particular video series, we are going to upload ICSE board class 6 physics chapter 1 and 2 together. As chapter 1 is pretty small, we have decided to upload both the chapters, that is chapter 1 introduction and chapter 2 matter together. Come on, let us continue with our studies. This is the part 1 of this video series. Let me remind you, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share it with your friends and neighbors. Question number 1, what is science? Answer, science is the knowledge gained through systematic observation and experiments. Number 2, name the subjects included in life sciences. Answer, zoology and botany. Question number 3, name the subjects included in material sciences. Answer, physics, chemistry and geology. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. Define physics. Answer, physics is the study of nature and its laws. Question number 5. What is matter? Answer, anything that occupies space and has mass is matter. For example, take the example of your textbook. When you place it on a table, it occupies some space. In the place where it is placed, we cannot place anything else. So, it occupies space and also it has got some mass. So, it is considered as matter. Question number 6. Define mass. Answer, the amount of matter a body contains is called its mass. Again, in order to understand this concept, let us take the example of the book again. Your textbook contains some mass in the form of paper and its cover. So, your textbook has got some mass. So, it is an example of a matter. Hope you would have understood. Question number 7. Define volume. Answer, the space occupied by an object is called its volume. So, when we place a textbook on a table, it occupies some space. That space is considered as its volume. Question number 8. What is matter made of? Answer, matter is made of tiny particles called atoms. Question number 9. Question number 9. Explain the properties of atoms. Answer, atoms do not exist independently. That means atoms, they don't have independent existence. They combine together and they exist in the form of molecules only. That's why it is given, they join up to form molecules. Question number 10. Give a few examples of elements in which atoms exist independently. Answer, gold, iron and carbon. Gold, iron and carbon. 11th one. Give a few examples of molecules which are made of atoms of the same kind. Answer, hydrogen and oxygen. Because the molecular formula of hydrogen is H2. So, two hydrogen atoms combine together and form hydrogen molecules, which is written as H2. Similarly, two oxygen atoms combine together to form a oxygen molecule, which is written as O2. Question number 12. Give an example of a molecule which is made of atoms of different kind. Answer: water. What is the molecular formula of water? H2O. So here hydrogen is also there and oxygen is also there. Hydrogen atom and oxygen atom are of different kind, but they combine to form a molecule. So for this question, water, that is H2O, is an example. Question number 13. Define intermolecular force. Answer: the molecules of a substance are held together by an attractive force. This force is called intermolecular force. Question number 14. What is meant by intermolecular space? Answer: the space between the molecules is called intermolecular space. Here it is typed wrongly. This is not force, but this is space. Here there is a correction. The space between the molecules is called intermolecular space. It is typed wrongly as force, so I have corrected it as space. So with this video has come to an end. Let us continue with our studies with another set of questions in the next video.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.